going to give a demo about the simple microscope and common microscope. What is a simple microscope? It is a one which is used to visualize or magnify the very small object into a enlarged one. Only object, not any cellular character. It is only used to identify the external character of the small, very small, minute object. Those objects they are below 1 centimeter. So what it usually contains is it is known as simple microscope or dissection microscope. So in that one it is a base of the microscope. This one is a base of the microscope. This is a stage of the microscope. This is a holder of the lens. This is a magnifying lens. Usually this lens will be 10x in number. It is a magnifying lens which magnifies whatever object kept on the stage. It should be become enlarged. This is a adjustment screw. The screw can be used to vertically movement of the lens. Whether the lens can be moved upward and downward, like the vertical up and down movement. This is a mirror. The mirror usually here is there are two mirrors are there. One is a plain mirror, another is a concave mirror. Usually for focusing of the object, we have to use only concave mirror. The concave mirror, the function of the mirror, it reflects the light into the object. So the mirror is used for reflection of the light and convert the reflected light in a parallel beam of light into the object. Through the lens we can view the object. So the lens we can use to view the object whatever we have to kept in the stage of the microscope. So this is all about your simple microscope. So the main function it is used to observe or visualize the external characters of the very very small objects like leaf apex, leaf petiole and stem character, stem surface character, everything how to use it. Here this microscope contains only the lens. There is no eyepiece lens, there is no object lens. That's all about your simple microscope. Okay. Then next one I will going to give a demo about the common microscope. Usually you know what is microscope. Microscope is nothing but it is used to visualize the very minute character in a enlarged form, magnified form by using magnifying lens. So based upon the nature, there are two types of microscope, simple, another one common. What is a simple? It contains only lens, holder, stage and other things. So this will contain only one lens, then it is called simple microscope. Then what is a common microscope? This is contain more than two types of lens. One is eyepiece lens, another one is object lens. In the object also there are three powers are there. And many other parts are there. Fine adjustment, coarse adjustment, fine adjustment, stage, adjustment screw, diaphragm, everything is there. So more than two parts are present in a single way. It is called a common microscope. These common microscope mainly used for the visualization of the internal character of the object or any material or any plant material or any tissue material or anything. Usually this simple is used only for the external feature, there is no anatomical character, whereas common microscope can be used to visualize the internal character of this plant material. For example, nature of the tissue, a layer of the tissues, layer of the cell, inside the cell what are the characters. So completely it is used to visualize the anatomical features of the plant material. Since it contains two types of lens, eyepiece lens and object lens, it can be magnified into the 200 times or 100 times depending upon the object lens. It can be magnified into 100 times or 200 times. So we can visualize the very small minute cell character in a magnified form. Now I am coming to the various parts of the microscope. So this is a common microscope structure. We can see here it is a common microscope. I will see one by one. Started from the base. It is the base of the microscope. This one is a base. The base is nothing but which hold the microscope. The purpose is to keep the microscope in a standard base. Above the base it is called a stage. The stage of the microscope is nothing but in which you have to keep your plant material in a slide. Okay. Then this is called a body tube. This body tube hold the eyepiece tube and eyepiece lens. Then coming to the below the body tube, this is called a nose piece. This is called a, I have to see it down. This is called a nose piece. This nose piece usually containing what is the use of which hold the object lens. These are the object lens 1, 2, 3 number. The 3 object lens will be presented in the nose piece. The nose piece hold the object lens. Usually this object lens will reflect magnify the object into a higher magnification. So what are the 3 types of object lens? One is very small, that is called 10x. Another one is called 40xm, medium. Another one is called 100xm. Usually in pharmacognosy in biology class we have to use only 10x magnification. In some of the very minute cellular character if you want to magnify we have to use the 40x. Usually the 10x is called as a low power. The 40x is usually called as a high power. What is the oil immersion? These oil immersion usually used for the motility of bacteria, bacterial staining and everything, not for much used in the pharmacognosy and biology lab. Okay. Then coming to the below the stage, I will tell one by one. This is a below stage of the part of the microscope. This is a mirror. First one is a mirror. Again I am telling as in the case of simple microscope, here there are two types of mirror. One is this is called a plane mirror. If you touch that one, the surface will be very even. That is called a plane mirror. Another one is a small concavity will be there. That is called concave mirror. But in biology and pharmacognosy, cellular cell identification and focusing on the plant tissue, we have to use only concave mirror. The plane mirror is used only for the bacterial preparations. In the concave mirror, what is the function of this one? It concave the light. It absorb the light and reflect the light into the stage of the microscope. In the stage of the microscope center, an aperture will be there. Through the aperture, the light will be reflected by the mirror. So mirror reflect the light into the through the condenser into the stage of the aperture of the stage. Okay. Then what is the next part? Is a condenser. Here you see the condenser. The condenser will be condenses the light. Whatever light reflected by the mirror, that light can be condenses by the condenser. After condensed light, the condensed light will be sent in a parallel beam of light into the mirror, into the diaphragm, into the stage, into the hole of the stage. In the center of the stage, there is a small hole will be there. Through the hole only the light will be passed into the upward direction. Then coming to the next one, diaphragm. This is called a diaphragm. This one is a diaphragm. Usually the diaphragm will be in between the stage and mirror. So it usually presented below the stage and above the mirror and above the condenser. So what is a diaphragm? Diaphragm will be focus the full light. It focuses the full light into the small hole present in the light. If you open the diaphragm only, we can see the light. If you close the diaphragm, the light will not focus to you. So diaphragm is nothing but which condenses light or which focuses the light into the object of the plant material or into the object through the whole of this stage of the microscope. Okay. So here there are three parts. One is mirror, another is a condenser, third is a diaphragm. Diaphragm always presented below the stage, in between the mirror and the stage of the microscope. Okay. Then coming to the next one. So what is the first focus? Next one. This is a stage. In the stage, here there is a hole will be the center of the stage will be hole will be there. That is called aperture. Through the aperture only the light will be focused. So we can move the nose piece right direction. Both the side we have to move. So we have to move the nose piece. Bring your 10x magnification into the aperture of this one. So now this is called as a slide clips or holder clips. There are two clips will be provided at the stage of the microscope. With the help of clip or with the help of holder, we can keep the slide in a position. So sliding clips or we can tell us a holder holding of the slides. Okay. Then coming to the, it is a body tube. I told about what is nose piece, what are the three magnified, these object lens. Then this is a eyepiece tube. This eyepiece tube otherwise known as draw tube. Inside the draw tube only the eyepiece lens will be there. This is called eyepiece lens. These eyepiece lens usually here also there are different magnifications are there. Usually normally we use only one, that is called 10x. Okay. So this is a 10x eyepiece. The lens will be provided inside the tube. So it should be kept like that one. Then you focus through the eyepiece lens. Okay. Here the object will be presented. You have to keep the object. 10x will be magnified lens. Here 10x. So what is your magnification? Object will be 10, eyepiece will be 10, 10 into 10, 100 magnification. So whatever is cell here presented, whatever plant material, the cell can be 100 times multiplied and it will be visualized in your eye. So we can see the enlarged portion of your anatomical character of the given plant material. How to focus that one microscope? Now I am telling the focusing microscope. First you take a microscope. The handle of microscope will be like that one. You take your right hand in the handle. Your left hand will be base of the microscope. This will be handle like that one. Then you keep your microscope here. First thing what you have to do, first you have to focus the mirror. Mirror should be concave mirror. Condenser should be lower. The concave mirror I focus here. Condenser should be lower. Diaphragm will be open. Diaphragm will be open. So concave mirror, condenser lower, diaphragm open. These are the 3 points you have to do. Then you have to bring the nose piece here and there. Straight away the 10x of the object lens will be straight to the hole of the aperture of the stage of the microscope. This is the stage. Okay. Then this eyepiece will be straight. There are 2 screws will be there, adjustment screw. This adjustment screw is called coarse adjustment. This is called fine adjustment. This coarse adjustment mainly used to focus the object. It is to focus your object into the focal field area. This fine adjustment is refining of the object. That is very fine character how to do that one. Very finer adjustment we can do that one. For focusing out in the this one it is a movable. Coarse adjustment can be movable. It can be movable upward and downward. We can able to see upward, downward. Like that it can be movable. Okay. Whereas the fine adjustment, if I touch the tree, there is no movement. There is no movement. So the body tube does not move. But further it can be focus the lens and bring into the very fine focusing. Okay. So like that you have to focus your slide and observe the microscope. Whenever you see the microscope, where both eyes should be open, just you have to keep straight. Then you have to keep like that only. You have to observe like that only. If it is not visible, you have to adjust your mirror. So this is the way you have to observe your microscope. This is all about your microscope. This is a linear adjustment of your slide. Suppose you want to move your slide up and down, right and left. This is up and down movement. This is up and down movement of the slide. This is a right and left movement of the slide. So the slide can be moved at any direction, either upward or downward or right to left. We have to move. These are called linear adjustment screws. Okay. This is the handle of the microscope. This is the base of the microscope. This is the stage of the microscope. This is a body tube. It is a draw tube. It is eyepiece lens. This is a nose piece. This is the object lens 3 lens. This is a slide clips, holding clips. This is a coarse adjustment, fine adjustment. Then bottom below the microscope, you can see already I told you it is a mirror. Then this screw, this screw is called a condenser. This is the small one, a small knob will be there. This is called a diaphragm. This is one small one. This is a diaphragm. It should be open and closed. Always the diaphragm should be open. Then only we can see your plant material very clear in focal point. Okay. Thank you, students.